মাঠে ডায়মন্ড হারবার, সাংবাদিকদের মুখোমুখি কিবু। অ্যাওয়ে ম্যাচ খেলতে রওনা মোহনবাগানের, দলের খেলায় খুশি মেহরাজ। প্রাকৃতিক উষ্ণতা বেড়ে চলেছে, কিন্তু থেমে নেই ফুটবল। সেই ফুটবলের খবর নিয়ে আমি সায়ানী দৈনিক রিবেলের একটা নতুন পর্বে উপস্থিত। ইন্ডিয়ান ফুটবল লিগের শীর্ষস্থান এখন বাংলার ক্লাব ডায়মন্ড হারবারের দখলে। সেই স্থান ধরে রাখতে মরিয়া তারা। আজ ঘরের মাঠে গোকুলাম এফসির বিরুদ্ধে নেমেছে ডায়মন্ড হারবার এফসি। একবার দেখে নেব কি হলো সেই ম্যাচে। শীর্ষস্থান নিজেদের দখলেই রাখলো ডায়মন্ড হারবার এফসি। আজ কল্যাণী স্টেডিয়ামে তারা গোকুলাম এফসিকে 5-2 গোলে হারালো। প্রথমে পিছিয়ে পড়েও তারা শেষ পর্যন্ত জয়ের হাসি হাসলো। ডায়মন্ড হারবার এফসির হয়ে জোড়া গোল করেন হুগো ডিয়াজ, অন্য গোল লুকা মাজিন, জবি জাস্টিন ও রামদিন ধারা। ম্যাচ শেষে সাংবাদিকদের মুখোমুখি কি বললেন কিবু, শুনে নেব।
Coach, first of all, tell us about the match.
It was a thriller. We didn't control the game. We were talking about the opponent because they have very good players. They have two wingers very quick and talented. They have a good striker. They have midfielders that they won the league as now it's Indian Football League, but at that time was a league as Kasimov, etc. So I'm happy and we are satisfied because of the result and we got the points, but especially in the first half, I think the match was too open. We didn't let them to do counter-attacks, we didn't cut the counter-attacks of the opponent in the opponent half. They create a lot of chances, we create a lot of chances. It was like a crazy game. I think second half was better, not perfect, but was better. And from the beginning I saw another attitude and also another tactical performance. Also, I think we scored 2 goals in set pieces, no? That for us is important. So very happy because without playing our best game, we scored 5 goals and we got the points.
Are you worried about defense?
No, because it's last week I think some of you asking the first question, no? As I told you, I didn't like how we defend today, but team, not defense, team, because Roy did play a good game, Mikel played a good game, Lares and Ravi, I think they were also playing a good game. No, I'm not worried. The issue is team, and we didn't control first half, but second half I think was better.
Coach, how tough to play in 4 p.m. in this humid condition?
See, this is the most important thing I want to say today. It's not possible to play at this time right now in Kolkata because someday can happen some disgrace. But it's not a joke. In the first half, I mean, even the FIFA rules, depending how many degrees there are, you cannot play. And I think, see, when we went out from the bus to the tunnel, it was like a sauna. It was terrible. To be honest with you, my 6 years in India, I don't remember these conditions in April. 4 o'clock is not possible to play 4 o'clock. See, second half, different conditions, we play different. It's not an excuse, but the difference was there. If you see the first half, for the players was difficult to come back, difficult to do because the conditions were terrible to play. No? I think these things the federation should consider very seriously because they are the most important part of football, the players. I will have to create the environment that they can perform well. And in these conditions, it's impossible to perform. Not for us, for them also.
Any injury concerns in him?
Yes, Pinto had an injury at the end of the game. So let's see, but doesn't look like good, you know.
Is he taken to hospital?
No, he's in the dressing room.
Does it say
Let's see. With these things, it's not. We are not be in a hurry. We will see with let the doctor work and the physio, etc. No? We don't know, but We don't know, not because we are not doctors. You can never know after 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes after the game what happened.
শেষ দুই ম্যাচে জয় মোহনবাগানকে লিগ তালিকায় 2 নম্বর স্থানে এনে দিয়েছে। আগামীকাল গুয়াহাটিতে নর্থ ইস্ট ইউনাইটেডের বিপক্ষে খেলতে আজ গুয়াহাটি রওনা দিল সবুজ মেরুন ব্রিগেড। দমদম বিমানবন্দরে সেই ছবি উঠে এলো আমাদের ক্যামেরায়। অবশেষে 7 ম্যাচে টানা হারের পর অবশেষে পয়েন্ট এলো মোহামেডানের ঘরে। ওড়িশা এফসির বিরুদ্ধে অ্যাওয়ে ম্যাচে ড্র করলো মোহামেডান। ম্যাচ শেষে কোচ মেহরাজউদ্দিন বললেন এই পয়েন্ট ফুটবলারদের মনোবল বাড়াবে। আর কি বলছেন তিনি শুনে নেব।
Very good evening to everybody. So this is the post-match conference of Odisha FC Mohanty. We have our head coach Mr. Wad with us. So maybe you can go ahead with the process.
Hello, coach.
Hi.
Three matches Odisha FC against you played against Odisha FC 3 matches and 3 went all draws.
Oh.
And that is that is a big thing for you having. So what's your thought about this match?
Today's match, I think we created a lot of chances. We created a lot of chances and we have to capitalize those chances. The boys, they played well. We have got young team. We have got young players in the team. And playing an away game, I think we deserved a point at least from this game and we got the point. But at least I think this was the game in this season where we created more chances and we're very happy with that.
We have seen players are struggling in this atmosphere.
Yeah.
Do you think fatigue is the main issue?
I think, yeah, we traveled yesterday by train, 8 hours journey. We reached hotel 10 o'clock. We did not get enough time to rest. And at the same time, we are playing in a different city where, the temperature is much, much higher than, and the humidity is much higher than the one we are living in. It normally takes time for players to acclimatize with the climate, but the players, they did not bother about anything. They did well. It's obvious that the players, they will get cramps, and it's not only us, the Odisha FC also, they were getting the cramps. We did the best. The players, they didn't give up till the end and got a point.
Odisha FC players have also created many chances, but your defense is tackled very well.
Yeah.
What are you going to say about it?
Played well. The defense line played well. I think the overall the team performance is very good. When you play against a team like Odisha and any other team in ISL, they will create chances against us. But the only thing is how we have to defend. It's been a very unfortunate season for us, where we have conceded the goals where we could have avoided. But today we stayed together when in terms of defense, and the credit goes to the players.
Even after trailing by 1 goal, you scored another goal and made match draw. And how is it going to boost that goal?
I think it's a massive point for us right now because this is the first point we got in this ISL, and it's definitely going to boost the morale of the players. And we have got Chennai FC ahead next game, which is the away game, and we're looking forward to do the best in the Chennai game also.
So one last question.
Okay.
Are you happy with the results today?
Sorry.
Are you happy with the result today?
Happy with the result, yeah. Happy with the efforts of the players, yeah. But I think we should have win this game because the way we played, the way we created chances. But yeah, at the end of the day, 1 point, we're okay. So we'll just look for the next one.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
সময়টা এখন বলছে কিন্তু ফুটবল কোয়েজ মগজাস্ত্রের। গতকালের প্রশ্নের সঠিক উত্তর হলো 7-0। ইস্ট বেঙ্গল জিতেছিল মোহামেডান স্পোর্টিং এর বিরুদ্ধে। আজকের প্রশ্ন, ডায়মন্ড হারবার ফুটবল ক্লাবের প্রতিষ্ঠা হয় কবে? উত্তরটা জানা থাকলে ঝটপট লিখে ফেলুন আর অপেক্ষা করুন আগামী পর্বে সঠিক উত্তরের জন্য। আজকের ভিডিওটি যদি আপনাদের ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে কিন্তু অনেক অনেক শেয়ার করে দেবেন এবং আমাদের ফেসবুক পেজটিকে ফলো করে দেবেন। বাংলা ফুটবল এরকম আরো খবর জানার জন্য আমাদের ইউটিউব চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে বেল আইকনটি প্রেস করে দেবেন। আজকের মতো আমি এখানেই বিদায় নিচ্ছি। আবার আপনাদের সঙ্গে দেখা হবে আগামী পর্বে। শুভরাত্রি। Thank you.